Hello everyone, we are 3Card. We are building a Web3 social platform to make your crypto journey fun. We're building on top of Lens protocol for users to use their shared social graph to interact with each other, and they can earn reward by creating content. So we believe together we can make crypto better. So there are 5 modules in our application. First is a post and news module. User can create and see the post just like they do in any kind of social platform, and they can read our curated Web3 news gathered from different kind of sources. And we also have the system to recommend you a user per day based on your relevancy of on-chain activity. And we have the module for you to perform NFT, P2P NFT trading. If anyone wants to sell their ERC20 token or NFT, they just have to create a post and select an NFT, and after the condition, they can accept and post it. Once there's anyone see this post, they can fulfill it, and a trade just finished. And the fourth is the community modules. We can allow users to create the community and post in a community to interact with each other just like Reddit. The last one is the message modules. As long as the user is on Lens protocol and you know their address and handle, you can send the message to them directly. The tag we use IPFS for file storage, Lens for social graph, and Polygon for smart contract, and AWS for our serverless backend. So now it's our demo time. So now I'm in my home page and I haven't connected my wallet. So I can see the default feed recommended by the system. And it's basically based on the hottest or latest feed in the Lens protocol. Once I connect to my wallet and log into Lens, it will become my customer feed. And in the right-hand side, there is a news section. It's a news collect from more than 500 RSS feed. And if you want to keep track of project updates, VC fundraising status, or anything in Web3, you can pretty much find any information here. Just click and it will take you to the news site. So now I'm going to connect to my wallet to create a profile. Once I connect to a wallet, there is a login button in the downside. I click it, it will sign into Lens. Since I haven't created a profile, now I'm going to create a profile. And I type in my handle as well as select my image as my avatar. And after IPFS upload is finished, I can create my profile. So now I successfully create my profile and I can try to explore the Lens. After you have a profile, you'll notice that your home feed has changed and there's more tabs showing up in the sidebar. And you can use the search bar to search any user. Now I'm going to search myself. And once you click it, you will navigate to its profile. And in the profile page, there are different tabs. First, you can browse any kind of post of the user, and as well as comments and mirror. Remote is basically retweet and their NFT and all of their on-chain activities. And the ranking. The ranking is the frequency of address you're interacting with. And in the left-hand side, there's a bio and some social media information and also your tag. So I've been trading on a Uniswap V3, so I'm being tagged as a new Uniswap VC router. And you can click Edit Profile to make change of your profile. Now I switch to artist profile. If you like the user, you can follow them and you will sign a transaction. Since now we are in the testnet, we cannot use the guest list transaction, but once we are on the Polygon mainnet, we can sign a transaction and the relayer will execute the transaction for us. There's no gas fee needed. And if you like to send a message to the user, you can click the message button. It will navigate you to the message tab, and you can start to write any message to them. And if you want to search more user, you can click the add button to search any user on Lens, as well as and to send the message to them. Now I'm back to home page again, and in the button side there's an add button. If you click it, there will be 3 circles out there for you, and it's 3 different kind of function you can perform. One is the normal post, just like you do in a printer. You can type your mood and then add some photo to post. And you can also click community to create a community. Add the name and description and select a category, upload your avatar, and you can create a community. And the third one, I will keep it in the later section as a surprise. So after you create a post or a community, it will show up on our homepage. And you can click any post to see. And you can also go to the Explore tab on sidebar to explore different kind of community. So in a community page, you can see any posts and members of them, and you can even click the join the community and give an upvote and downvote just like Reddit. So now I'm going to explore the feature of card. It's a feature that will recommend you a user every day based on how close is your on-chain activity to the user. So that you can meet the most similar user every day and make more friends. Then once I click the card tab, I will see there's a user, and it will show their bio. Currently, this user doesn't have a bio, and their net worth. And if you click more info, you'll navigate to their profile page. And now I can either follow or send message to the user. Now I follow it. And it seems like this user has a fee follow module, which means you have to pay a fee to follow them. Now I'm going to demonstrate the last feature. It's called NFT post. It's a feature for you to create a post along with a sell with NFT. So you click create NFT post, type something about your NFT, and select the NFT you want to sell. I will sell the follow token I just create, and add the selling condition. Once the buyer meets your selling condition, it will automatically fulfill your order through Seaport. Now I'm going to create an order. So before you create an order, you have to sign a transaction and then upload this order and post it. So it could take a while, but once you post it, anyone can see your NFT post. Once you create an NFT post, the post will show up on everyone's homepage. And if you happen to like an NFT and also satisfies the condition, you can click fulfill. And if you confirm the transaction, and you can get the NFT. This is the end of our demo. We are working hard to launch our beta version. If you have some feedback, suggestion, or anything to discuss, my contact information is left on the post. Thank you.